Welcome to our channel. I'm Virginie and today I'm gonna create a Christmas flower in the 3D acrylic. These are the products I will use in this video. If we were working on a natural nail, we would have to apply the Urban Graffiti base coat. However, on acrylic or gel, this is not needed. Make sure to pull the product down the nail. And make sure to cap the free edge. Put it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now we will apply 2 coats of the Tranished Siler, which is from the Platinum Collection. It is important to keep your brush flat so as not to get streaks. Put it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're going to apply the Urban Graffiti top coat before we do the 3D design. Make sure to pull the product down the nail with low pressure on a brush and don't forget to cap the free edge. Put it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. We're going to remove the surface shine with the white block. Wipe over the nail with the gel residue wipe-off solution. I'm gonna use the Mega White acrylic powder with the Max Adhesion liquid to create the 3D design. I'm gonna pick up a bead of acrylic using a small detail brush. I'm gonna pull my brush through the product to create the petal. Use a small amount of pressure to create the details of the petal. Don't hesitate to dip your brush into the Max Adhesion liquid so that you can clean the outline of the petals. I'm gonna pick up another bead of acrylic. Pull down through the product with the tip of your brush. Press the product out to create the details of the petals. It is very important to leave some space between the petals because I'm going to add a crystal to the middle of the design. Repeat the same process that we did with the other petals of squashing the product out. I am now going to use the crystal clear acrylic powder to adhere the crystals to the design. Dip your brush into the liquid and pick up a bead of clear acrylic powder. You are now going to use this bead to pick up the crystals. Repeat this same process for the other petals. This is going to add some dimension to the design. I'm using crystals, but you can also use microbeads or glitter instead to create this design. We're going to pick up another bead of clear and then place it into the center of the petals. Pick up the silver crystal and place it into the center of the design. Remove the excess product. To finish off this design, I will create snowballs with the mega white acrylic. This is the finished design. I hope you like it. All of the product used will be listed below. Until next time, au revoir!